Yes, my dear. Go in and get me a cup of water. Yes, ma'am.
I actually drove out and I wanted to spend some time alone, you know. After all the, you know, everything, I just needed to calm my nerves down.
I understand perfectly well, my son. Come, let's go inside.
Mom, you look worried. Is everything all right?
I'm fine. The elders just left.
The elders?
Yes.
What's wrong?
Nothing. They just came to discuss about your father's vacant throne.
Mom, can you just drop it, please? Mom, we've been through this before, all right? I don't want to talk about it again, okay? Mom, I just want to leave this village, leave this country and go back to the States and just continue with my life. Mom, can we leave this, please?
You are the first son of the late Igwe. My husband.
And my father, too.
Oh, you know that?
Yes.
So why don't you want to take full responsibility of what rightly belongs to you?
Talking about responsibilities, let me remind you that I have responsibilities too. All right? I have things I've been doing in the US and I can't just, oh mom, this whole talk is actually beginning to get on my nerves. I will not.
Oh no, Ugonna, you will.
I won't.
Ugonna, you will and you must.
Oh, really?
Yes.
All right, fine. You come tie me down.
Ugonna. Ugonna, Ugonna, come back here. You will. Huh.
Please, consider what I've told you. Please.
I thought we've been through this matter before.
For God's sake, you're the first son of the family.
How in heaven's name would you suggest such a thing?
You know me, man. You know me. You know how it is. You know how my life in the States is. I can't just drop everything for some throne. Look, wait. Let me break it down for you, right? Just accept to be the king, Igwe, whatever. Alright? Just accept. Agree, then leave the rest to me. I'll fix it.
No.
Okay?
No. Hell no. Sorry to disappoint you, but I can't. Besides, I'm not interested in this God-forsaken throne Igwe thing anyway. What happens to my freaking life afterward?
Exactly what these guys have failed to understand. Right? I have a life too. Okay, I can just drop everything because of this whole throne thing. Look, I came back for Dad's burial and I'm so done with it. I need to bounce.
Why is this whole Igwe throne, whatever? Why are they not being reasonable? Why?
I don't know. It's been like that for generations past. Even Dad had to drop his job for this whole Igwe thing, which if you ask me, I think it's crazy.
Are you freaking going to do the same thing too?
Never.
So, how the hell do you plan to achieve this?
I'm leaving with you tomorrow morning.
You can't be serious, are you?
Of course I am. Leaving with you tomorrow morning.
He's leaving with me tomorrow.
Ugonna, where are you going?
Mom, I have told you time without number. This whole throne thing, you guys should just keep it, okay? I'm not interested. I am going back to America.
Oh, no, you're not.
Go. Please listen to me.
Hey. Stay out of this. You hear me? Just stay out. Oh, God. Mom, can I just beg you? I've tried to make you understand. You just don't want to listen to me. I have things to do in America. I don't freaking stay here. Please.
Ugonna. Ugom. Why do you want to bring shame and disgrace to this family? Ugonna, what do you want me to tell the council of elders? What do you want me to tell the villagers that I, the law, cannot produce an Igwe for them? When I have 3 grown sons in my house?
Oh, Mom, thank you. I mean, you just made my point, Mom. Thank you. Mom, you said you have 3 sons, right? Beautiful. Why don't you just give them Ike? Okay, Ike is my brother. Give them Ike. I'm not interested.
Ugonna, Ikechukwu is your kid brother. You are my first son.
I am not interested. The first son is not interested.
Really?
Yes.
Guards!
Hey.
Come, move in this box into his room.
Don't you dare touch my box.
Ugonna!
Mom, leave her. What's wrong with you? Are you out of your mind? Mom. Hey. Calm down, all right? Just calm down. Let's go. Come on, let's go inside.
Nothing happened. I faked it. I just lower your voice, okay? You do what? Can you keep quiet? They want to give me hypertension. God forbid. I had no other option. One name. To fake it. Jela, stop this laugh now. Are you sure he wants a woman? You know that right now, all of them believe that I am very weak. And no one would like to aggravate my situation.
God is on your side.
Amen.
Don't start crying now before you fall sick for real. But why won't you want to be the Igwe? Why?
Hey, my enemies are at work. They are at work.
They will not succeed.
Amen.
They will not. God is on your side.
Amen. I am not feeling well.
I know.
And stop laughing.
Love it too much.
Mama is not feeling well.
Sorry, my dear. Have you seen the doctor anyway?
Ugonna.
Yes, Papa.
What is this that I'm hearing? That you want to go back to Obodo? Is it true?
It's true, Baba.
Why?
Papa, thank you. You see, I'm thanking you because you are the only person who has cared to ask me why I'm doing this. Papa, I have a life. I've tried to explain to these people, I have a life. I have things I'm doing in the States. I don't live here anymore. I have a complete, well-set life.
A complete, well-set life?
Yes.
I see. But, my son, one is never complete without his family.
Well, I never said I was denying my family. Papa, my people will remain my people. Alright? I came back for Dad's burial. I'm done with it. Let me just go. Look, my life is different now. I don't stay here anymore. I stay in the States. Can I just go?
My son, in life, there is what is called priority. You have to set your priorities right. Then to know which one should move or blend into another.
Well, you know, I've never really thought about this. It's not possible. How about my life? I mean, my job, my fiancé. Oh God, but hell no, I can't. I just can't. It's not gonna work.
My son. You can. Oh yes, you can. Think of your people, your mother. Think of your late father. If you were alive, what he would have you do?
Papa, this is not fair. Oh, honestly, it's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair.
Life is not fair. Life is not fair.
Mom!
I'm coming!
Let's go. What are you doing here?
I should be asking you that question. What exactly are you doing here? And what sort of funny outfit is this? Are you some Superman or something?
Sweet, baby, can we talk about this later? Okay?
No, we don't. We talk about it right here. Ogona, oh my God, please. I can't even think about it. I mean, what were you thinking? Abandoning me?
Ogo, Sammy.
Man. Hi, how are you doing?
I'm fine. When did you come back?
I just went in this morning.
I hope everything is alright.
Yes, other than the fact that I'm just wondering what this man is doing right here in this country when he's supposed to be in the States.
You mean he didn't tell you?
No, please. Just tell me that. Tell me that what this guy was trying to say to me over the phone was just a fairy tale. Tell me that because
Can we go inside and talk about this? Okay, please.
Oh my God.
Please. Okay.
Oh, this must be some dream.
Please.
I better just wake up. What exactly are you insinuating? That your stay in Nigeria is permanent?
I think so.
You what? You, jeez, come on.
Baby, can you just calm down and try looking at this from a positive.
What positive side could you possibly be talking about? That you told me that you were leaving the States to come to Nigeria to attend your father's funeral. What if you didn't accept them and decide to abandon me in the States? Tell me, what positive side you want me to look at it from?
Oh, baby, I had no choice.
Of course you had a choice. You had a choice. Life is about choices. I made a choice by affiliating with you. That's why we are together. And if you deliberately choose to break that affiliation, then we are apart.
So, wait. What are you saying?
What I am trying to say is that you have chosen to abandon me. You've decided to leave me after everything we've been through. All what we built, all through these years, for what? For some goddamn insignificant...
Silent!
Tell me something. something to explain to me that you haven't explained already. You've already explained to me that you've moved on with your life. You're living your life. You've given me up for your family,
Judy,
for your people.
Baby, I never said that.
Oh, well,
why are you putting words into my mouth? I never said that.
We're going to come to it.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? How do I mean? Christ! Fine. You're going to be this king, this Igwe, or whatever they call it. How do you expect to rule those people, administer to them, without being present? Huh? No, tell me how!
Sweetie, wait, calm down. Sweetheart, it's not what you think. Okay, it's not. See, you need to realize that my father is no more, and I am his first son. I need to take full responsibility. Okay? It's not like I want to, but I don't have a choice.
Tell me the truth. Why? Why didn't you tell me? Why did you not tell me about this before you left for your father's funeral?
Baby, it didn't occur to me. I wasn't planning to stay.
Just stop it, you lie. If you did not know about this, why didn't you reject the throne? Why did you not reject the goddamn throne?
Baby, I couldn't. Sweetheart, I couldn't, and I still can't. Oh God. How I wish I can. How I just wish this whole thing would go away. I wish you would just understand with me, baby. It's not easy. I'm so disappointed. Please.
I'm so disappointed. I'm so
Baby, don't see this. Don't see this, please. Can you go to between that? Don't go. Don't.
What's the argument all about?
Sam has refused to understand that this whole thing wasn't my fault. I've tried that. Oh God, how else am I going to explain it to her?
Take it easy. Calm down, my son. Okay? Give Sandy some time. She will come around. No, Mom. Good night. Just give me some time to talk to her. I'll get back to you.
It is difficult for you because you cannot stand up to them.
Sammy, what are you talking about? Huh? Do you have a freaking idea what I'm up against?
What?
Huh?
What are you up against? Huh? Oh, a bunch of old men? Okay, your precious mom whom you're so scared you cannot live without. Or some insignificant...
Enough! Enough of your abusive words and mouth.
They are also my people.
Well, if they are your people, then you should understand with me and encourage me.
I will not. Until you learn to do the right thing.
If you love my son so much, you should encourage him to pick up his father's throne.
Oh no, please.
Mom, please, just leave us, okay?
No.
Please.
Into the house. Pack a bag and bandages. And let's get the hell out of here. God damn it! Excuse me.
son, you have heard so far what is required of you before you are finally enthroned as our queen. Do you have any question?
My fathers, I greet you.
I greet you.
I've heard all you've said, yes, and I just want to state that these requirements, they are actually outrageous. Yes. Yeah. Sorry if I used the wrong word, but I just want to say that these things required of me before I mount the throne, they're unacceptable to me.
How, my son?
Because, I mean, oh, come on, guys, man, jeez. This is the 21st century.
Osno Guas. Omas.
My fellow elders, please, we are here to properly guide our son on the requirements of being our king. My son, when you want to address the elders, you...
all right. I'm sorry. My bad. Okay, it's all my fault. I'm really very sorry. Pardon my youthful exuberance, but what I'm trying to say is things have changed. I mean, this is the modern times. A lot of things have changed. Times have changed. And though my father intimated me on these things, but my question is, can't we do without them?
My son, we can't do without them. We can't.
Why?
My son, you just spoke about times changing. But my son, we make our future what we want it to be. See, a people without a culture is without identity. Wow. And my son, things may change, and times may change, but we, the people of Umuobo, remain the same.
I'm engaged already, and I can't imagine my fiancée leaving all she has to do in the United States to come down here for some freaking dance. My father's, it's not possible.
Gunnar, I thought I heard you say that your father intimated you about all this.
Yes, he did, but that was in the past. You know, this is the 21st century now. Come on, guys, don't do this to me, please.
Now, calm down. You see, I want you to know that that relationship is null and void.
That's not possible.
And who are you to decide when my relationship goes null and void?
Sam, please leave.
I am not done talking.
Sam, I said leave us. This is not the place for you, okay?
Where is the place, Gunnar? Where?
My daughter, Gunnar is the first son of his father. As you know, his father was our last king. As the first son of his father, the responsibility fell on him to assume the position of the throne of his father. This is all we require of him.
Pardon me, my daughters. May I ask what these things required of him are? Because I eavesdropped and I overheard everything you guys said. Oh, okay, yeah, my bad. But I had to do that because I needed to find out what exactly this man is still doing in this country. Of all places, this village. I'm sorry, elders, but I need to ask this question. These things required of him, are they supposed to be with his consent or without his consent?
Young lady, it has nothing to do with his consent. Remember his blue blood. No choice. He has no choice.
That's ridiculous. You of all people should know that that is a trample on human rights. Now my fiance had told me in confidence that he doesn't need the Igwe thing or whatever it is you guys call it. And I am standing here as his fiance to echo that back to you guys. We do not need Igwe ship. Give it to someone else.
Who approved the union?
And if I may answer that question, what is this dance competition thing I heard you talk about?
My daughter, are you not the daughter of Ambassador Soludo Nyama of Udoma village in this community?
Of course I am.
So I believe your people are not strangers to what we are saying. In the olden days, all young ladies must participate. But now, it is by choice. Any maiden that wants to win the heart of the king or the prince must dance her way through the heart of the prince. So, if you love the prince, you must participate to win. See?
Jesus.
So that you will be made our next queen.
This has to be some sick job. Hold on. Are you guys serious? No, are you guys serious or something? Is this some
Young lady, be attentive for the last time. This is the meeting of elders in council. In the first place, you have no right to be here. Now leave. Get out. You had him. Leave. I said leave. Can you?
Sam, please go. Please just...
This is just bullshit. Bullshit!
Bullshit.
Please, we could work this thing out.
Calm down. Calm down? What is the meaning of that word? Do you even understand what that word means? You asking me to calm down? Oh my God!
Sweetie, can you just slow down? Slow down. It's not as bad as...
Oh, just stop it! Stop it! Right this minute ago, just stop it in the name of God. Just stop it! Because you are getting on my last nerves and they are all standing. So just please stop.
Baby, that's why I'm here. Alright, that's why I'm here to calm your nerves and we could just work this thing out, okay?
And let us go back to the state. Okay, just pack your bag and let's leave this madness, okay? Let's just go. For Christ's sake. For Christ's sake. What has gotten into you? Baby, what has gotten into you, sweetheart? Why are you doing this? Baby, please. Let's just go home, okay? Baby, come on.
Baby. I'm sorry. I can't leave. I just can't leave. I'm sorry.
Okay. You can't leave. Of course you should be sorry. Because you are nothing. You're just one damn coward. That's what. What?
What did you say?
You are nothing but just a coward.
Oh, damn.
You slapped me? Oh, you hit me? This is just... Don't touch me!
What is it? Calm down. What is it?
Mommy, I'm going.
Baby, don't do this. Please.
Mommy, he slapped me.
You what?
He slapped me, Mommy. Didn't you see him? God, I am out of here. I am out for good.
Go.
I have to go back to the States. I can't stay here. Please. I have to go, Mommy. Let me go. Let me go. No, let me go. You slapped her. Let me go.
How could you? For Christ's sake, a man does not hit a woman.
Oh, I didn't know what I was doing.
Stop. It's over 1 week since Zamekere left this house in anger, and you've not been yourself.
Mom, how can I? Huh? How can I be myself, Mom? Is it possible? See, this whole turnaround in my life, Mom, it's driving me crazy. What am I going to do?
Go, I'm so sorry. Oh, I and your father should have prepared you for this.
Yes.
But I never knew that death would come knocking.
Oh. Mom, it's okay. It's alright. It's okay.
Oh,
it's okay, Mom. It's alright. Everything will be fine. Okay? Although I really don't know how it's gonna happen, but I just believe everything will be fine. Alright? Please.
Ugonna, look at me. A woman without a husband. And my son's life in disarray. But I know that everything will fall in place, God.
Mom, how am I gonna do this? Huh? Can you just tell me? What am I gonna do? Mom, Sam is my world.
I know, my son. But you will also love any other beautiful maiden that they will choose for you. The requirements for the new queen cannot be bent to suit her, even if she stays. How will she meet their requirement with the dance competition? The villagers, in conjunction with the Negu, choose who will be the queen. Gonna, my son, you see, during our days as maidens, your mother here danced away the heart of everybody, especially that of your father. My late husband.
Mom, honestly, this whole dance talk, I really don't get it, Mom. Mom, I love Sam. Believe me, I love Sammy. I love her the way you love Daddy.
I know. But don't worry, my son. You will love any other beautiful maiden that they will choose for you.
Oh, Mom, it's easy for you to say. I mean, how am I just gonna wake up one morning and start loving someone else? Am I nuts?
Nah. Don't worry. Don't just worry. Oh? You will go through this. Everything will be okay. You will see. Oh, Mom. Come. Let's go inside so that the ladies will serve your lunch.
You can go eat. I'm not hungry.
Because we have to take something.
Mom, I said I'm not hungry. Alright?
Okay, then let's go inside.
Mom, I'm fine here.
You mean that you're not coming with me?
Hello, Sam. Oh, thank God. Thank God. I've been trying your line since you... Hello, sweetie, please, don't cut the phone on me. Please don't. Can we just, please don't. Oh, God. Why is Sam doing this to me? I've said I'm sorry.
Just like our young men, some directly, some through their parents. Esin, You go to Ochiri, tell him to go to our state university and inform them.
It's all right. I will do just that.
Not just doing that.
Very quickly too.
Yes.
Dikeh, you have to trust me. Okay. Yes. You will go to the media houses.
I will do that.
On our behalf.
NTA and Radio Nigeria, precisely.
Because we don't want any family in this community to be left out.
Yes, there must be no lapses.
Yeah.
So that the connection will take place.
You never cease to amaze me. So, Baba, see, I just want to know the class of girls that will be participating in the dance.
You see, you're already manifesting the wise attributes of your father, always interested in details. I know what fits my praise. You are a young man with a distinguished status and class.
Of course.
As you rightly said, this is 21st century. and we will follow it your way.
Thank you, Papa. See, I can't thank you enough for your kind words. You've been like a father to me. Thank you once again, Papa.
Pleasure is mine.
It's just that I have only one regret.
Which is?
Samuel Berry. Samuel Berry, my love. The woman I would have loved to spend my whole life with.
You see, my son, love is not the basis for marriage, but marriage is the basis for love.
What has come over you?
Nanny! Hey! How I wish the hand of the clock would turn backward again. Hey! Ijele, why? Okay, Mom.
Why?
Because of the royal dance now. Have you forgotten? Hey! Chineke. I would have just danced my way straight to the heart of the king.
Neda, I'm very sorry for you. During your own time, you failed. Even if the competition holds again for your age grade, I mean as maidens, you will fail again, Ijele.
I don't like this thing you're saying. I don't like it. What do you mean, Seth? What do you mean? And wait till the next royal dance comes up again. And you will see me in action. Anyhow they want it. If they want it.
Look at that. Look at that. Ijele, wait. You will not even cease to amaze me. Huh? Get one if I get you, I got the one idea too, huh? What are they going to do with such an old woman?
You are not even getting the joke.
Joke?
If I don't participate, and Amara participates, have I not participated? Okay.
Which Amara are you talking about?
How many do you know?
Apart from your late mother that her name was Amara, and of course her daughter, who is already engaged. I wonder what other Amara you are talking about.
Engage my foot. Engage my foot. My daughter is not engaged to anybody. Eh? See, my queen, my princess is still searching. And I thank God that the search is over.
I think something is wrong with you upstairs. And this time around, you need a medical attention. Go ahead for the...
Okay. Don't worry. We shall see. Na. Any type you want. Suck it in. I know. Is it this traditional? I will coach my daughter. After the rehearsal at the arena, I will bring her home.
find this going now. Hey, excuse me, my daughter. Come. Sorry, I'm looking for...
Excuse me, sir, please, I have a lecture to attend now. I don't have time, sorry.
Look at her hair, look at her leg. Woolly hair. Useless child. Una no go be useful. No atom of respect for elders. Come on, tell me where I'm going, you can't tell me. This kind of school, I don't know where I can find. Oh, wow. Every time wahala. And so easy chair will be sending me go this, go that. Go this, go that. Excuse me, my children. I'm looking for one hostel called Nelson Mandela. Please, can you help me?
Nelson Mandela?
Yes.
Okay, you have to walk down. Straight.
Okay, straight.
At the back of that building.
Yeah.
Just that building up there. Just
okay,
back.
that one.
Okay. Just keep going straight.
Thank you, my children. I hope you children are reading.
No problem.
Good children. Try read. This one you are here toasting while others are in the class reading.
Give me plan.
So tell me, what was it you were sounding so hasty on phone? Well, what were you trying to say now?
Perhaps if you start attending our Tuesday meetings, that way you get to hear informations and announcements firsthand.
Hey, please now, Tell me now,
Anyway, our town's SUG president said that
what now?
Okay, wait, you want to pull it out of me? Anyways, he said that all the maidens of Umuogu that are interested in marrying the prince should prepare for the sacred dance. Same competition through which the prince chooses the next queen. Obviously his wife. Yeah, and it has to be whoever that emerged best dancer in the ultimate dance competition.
It's a lie! The same dance competition we've been talking about?
Yep, it is.
Oh God, I can't believe it! Do you know my mother told me how it was in their own days?
Oh, I know! Do you know that my mother never ceases to tell me about how in her own time she danced and almost danced her life out. Yet she didn't win. God, is that tough?
My mother said she took part in the preparation but couldn't participate on the D-Day because her mother put to bed. My dear, real because if it was me, I would leave my mother and the child. See, anything that will make me not participate in the dance, no be my portion.
Hey!
I will leave that thing there.
Oh my God!
Why are you laughing?
I'm laughing because it's funny. It's actually funny. I can't believe you just said that. Anyways, I'm not surprised because I mean, a lot of girls will say the same thing you just said right now.
Dear, I will surprise you. I say I will dance and I'll shine all of you.
Yeah, that will be after I outshine you.
Outshine with me?
Yes.
Okay, let's see how far now. Hey!
Don't stop passing
you they dare me, oh! This babe they try me, this babe they try me.
Right. Oh, just keep on. I think this is what you will dance on that day.
No time you. They can do my practice of it.
We are talking folk dance. The kind you do with your waist while you bend down to dig it for the prince.
Whatever, babe. Whatever. Hey, I want to dance this one. This one. This one. Yay! Come on. Come on, Margotina Basio. I bet you don't drink this one. Don't waste my money. Come down, sit down here, drink one.
I'm not drinking.
like saying you don't want to. I didn't know you were interested.
Why not? I've been dying for this opportunity. I really love to dance.
Well, if you would take my advice, I suggest you do not participate. Have you forgotten our exam is next semester?
This is my opportunity. I really need to grab it. You know I love dancing now. See, I'm not really particular about being chosen or something. I just want to dance for the fun of it. Trust me.
So what if you are dancing for the fun of it like you say? Then you now end up being chosen as the queen.
Queen? If God says yes, why not? Sweetheart, it will not be a bad idea. You know I love dancing and I'm a good dancer.
Well, I will still suggest that you do not participate.
Neme, I don't disrespect you. I disrespect you. Why are you so particular about my not participating? What's your problem?
Why are you so particular about participating?
Eh?
See. I feel it is a waste of time and energy for you and girls of your class.
I be novice. Yeah? How do girls of my class look?
One here.
I better tell me.
Babe, you know you're of a low class now. And forget as this house this, so we know now. We know as they get down. Now waka.
Neme, not gonna cost me for my answer. He's gonna beg you. Sure you hear me, so I beg you, not run your mouth for you. I beg.
Sorry.
You said sorry.
I'm sorry now.
You too, sorry.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I don't like that kind of talk, I beg. Anyway, you talk.
Thank God for university education. That's helped to give some of us exposure and brush us up a little.
I mean, you talk to me. Again, this is so much. Why you go cost me for my house? Can't you go again?
Now house, get out! All these men where they from? I mean, give me that.
Follow me, you get out.
Shit, stay for your house. Give me my bag. Get out! So, baby, the dance is for my sister's daughter's traditional marriage.
Must you participate?
Yes, so yes.
But I told you I wanted us to go and see my parents at Ibadan.
No, I don't get it. Are you saying your people are more important than mine?
Come on, sweetie. I don't mean that. All I'm saying is that this is your sister's traditional wedding. Excuse me. Which of your sisters are we talking about?
You won't remember her. My second cousin on my maternal side. We're very close. Very close. I'm sure I told you about her.
So, how long are you going to be away?
The whole of this long vacation.
The whole of this long vacation?
Yes.
Why?
You know, we have to do rehearsals and preparations before the marriage. See, my sister's daughter is getting married to the prince of their town. Big traditional marriage. In fact, I think you should be there. I'm telling you.
China. When are we going to meet my parents?
Next semester, then I return.
Next semester.
Don't worry. Before you know it, it's all over, okay? Come.
Next semester.
Sure. It's my heart.
So, Mom, what were you saying? What I'm saying is that you must leave that your job in Enugu and participate fully in this dance, because I am very sure you are the next queen of the land.
Mom, how can you suggest a thing like that when you know I'm in a serious relationship?
You shut up.
Mom,
shut up your mouth. Shut up. Shut up. Shh. Shh. Look at this girl. What do you know about marriage? Is this my kind of marriage? Eh? See, others, my mates, are in their husbands' houses enjoying. See, no, kid here. You see in her, all her regalia,
She's my mate. My mate. Really? She's my mate. During our own time, I came second. She won. And then the prince then, who's now the Igwe, married her. Let me tell you. Have you seen that Lolo? Do you see the kind of affluence she lives in? Eh? Every time they are going abroad, overseas. You are not poor. Hey, you are not poor. Eh? So you call this one rich? Who are you? Who knows you? When you talk about money, it's to the extreme. Eh? And money will just be flowing. And that's exactly what you're going to experience when you marry the prince. What about Ekene? What do I tell him? You can tell him whatever you want to. Tell him whatever you want. But as for this dance, you must participate. Why is your face like that? Huh? Look at me. Can't you realize that you have already won? You are already the winner. Eh? Have you forgotten that Lolo is my friend, my best friend? So let's just start from there. You don't even need to think about it. Just accept. Eh? On a platter of gold. Win. And I, Ijaya, what I lost when I was young, I will gain through my queen.
Amara, you said your mother sent for you.
Well, unfortunately, yes, she did. Really.
Mothers, they never change. But tell me something. Is your Igwe really influential?
Oh, come on. I mean, don't tell me you're new in this part of the world. Have you ever heard of Okosisi? Don't forget, I am from Umugu.
Wait a minute. Is he your Igwe?
Mm-hmm. Was my king.
Jeez! Girl, please go for it. Please.
Girl, are you out of your senses? Why should you suggest such to her?
Are you okay? Better person, come talk to me. So what did you tell your mother?
I told her I was going to think about it.
There's nothing to think about. Please, just to go. Like, go. Please.
Amanda. Truly, what are you trying to say? That she should participate in that advance?
Really?
It means if she wins,
she'll marry the prince accurately.
You are even a little intelligent to pick that. Well, she's participating to win and become the queen. She's not participating to exercise her body.
That is to say, Ekene will lose her.
What's wrong with you? We're talking about discussion continue. And you're reminding us of Molwe. What is it?
Okay, ladies, fine. There's no point quarreling, okay? I made up my mind on what I'm going to do.
Oh my God.
I am going to dance.
It's a lie.
Seriously.
It's a lie.
Oh my God.
There's a queen in this house.
Amara, you witnessed for last month.
Oh, please forget all that. I only agreed to marry Ekene simply because, I mean, men are scarce in the open market.
Really?
Yes. Come to think about it. I mean, a girl like me who's gone through school, done my youth corps service, and now I'm working, it's going to be really difficult to catch a man. So, I had to accept. But now I have an alternative, meaning I have to, move on.
Please educate her for me.
You are unbelievable.
Like you are unbelievable too.
Amara, you're just 26 and you sound so odd. Please, what I'm trying to say is that she didn't participate in any dance unless you win and lose your man.
Hey! Easy. No verse, Let's change the discussion now.
Amara, on a more serious note, don't do this. You and Ekene have come a long way.
And I'm saying no verse, change the topic.
Sorry.
This is something else.
Hey!
Get a queen. Give me food.
Oh, I'm cooking the food already. Come on.
Please, I need some too.
You're not getting anything.
You mean our queen should cook for
I'll
you?
eat your own if you didn't bring my own.
Our queen?
Sweetie, I'm waiting.
my heart, we agreed we'll take this leave so that we can plan our wedding. What's this talk about being with your family?
Come on, Ekene. You know it's been long I saw my mom and dad. Besides, I'm more excited than you about the wedding. But I have to go and see them. I need to plan with them. Yes.
Okay. Please, don't stay long. You know how important this is to me.
Of course, my love, I know. I won't stay long, I promise. Besides, I miss you and I love you.
I love you too, baby.
So shall we go now?
Yes.
Daddy.
I want to go out and visit a friend. Huh? I won't be long.
Okay, Daddy. Make sure you don't take time. Bye-bye.
Okay. Neme.
Daddy.
I am very happy you are participating in the dance competition. And I want you to know and understand I am in full support and solidly behind you.
Thank you, Daddy. Daddy, I promise I am going to make you proud. I will bring honor and dignity to this family. I will show them that some become royal by birth, while others are endowed with it.
That's my daughter. I know you make it. I know you make it. Very soon you'll be addressed as Her Royal Majesty. Just put all your effort. I wish your mother was here
Daddy.
to witness this thing again.
Daddy, please, I beg you. Do not spoil this moment. I promise I will make you proud, and I will make Mother proud wherever she is.
No, your mother did not participate during her own time.
I know. That is why I am participating. So I'll make you proud. Cheer up, Daddy. Thank you. Thank you, Daddy. Okay, bye-bye. Come back soon.
Honestly, the only reason why I just allow you, or I've been really gentle with you while you keep prying into my affairs, is because you and I have come a long way. I'd be glad if you stay out of my issues for once. Honestly.
Amara, I really want to stay out of your business, okay? But I think you're headed for the wrong direction, baby.
Isioma.
Yes, my dear. For you to have thrown away your precious gold for a mountain full of diamonds, it's dangerous and risky, you know. See, you never can tell what awaits you there at the mountain tops.
Thank you very much for the advice, dear friend. But come on, this is life. It's risky not to take risk. I mean, like my mother said, life is full of risk. Life is about taking risk. So relax, I'll be fine.
Okay, what about it, Kenny?
Latest news. I'm giving him to you.
You're not serious. Please go and get your man and stop playing about it.
I'm not playing, I'm serious. I'm giving him to you.
You will cry, you. That's not the business.
Oh, Siowa. You don't want?
You left your job and your fiancé at Enugu only to come back here for a competition meant for young girls.
I'm on leave, Dad. I'm on leave. Papa Becca, what do you mean she left her fiancé? What fiancé, if I may ask?
Excuse me. Your silence, woman. Let me talk to my daughter.
It's important, though.
Ah, okay. That was why you asked her back last time. You asked a girl that was engaged to come and participate in a dance meant for young girls, single girls?
Michael, I hate it when you're so dogmatic about certain issues. I don't like it.
Meaning?
Meaning that life is all about flexibility. You have to learn how to be flexible. Yesterday, she was engaged to one Ekene Okoye. But today, she's about to be betrothed to the prince, our future king.
Will you shut up, woman? All my life I've seen women. My 48 years as a lecturer in the university, but I've never seen a woman like your mother.
That is because I am unique.
So domineering, myopic, and shallow-minded about issues of life.
Dad.
Shut up your mouth. That's exactly what she's training you up to become.
Dad, leaving Ekene and coming over here for the dance rehearsal was entirely my decision. That is final. That is what matters.
Did I hear you say leaving Ekene?
Yes, Dad.
Then something was wrong upstairs. Leaving a man that came here for an introduction. You brought this man to me.
And the same person that brought the man now says she's no longer interested. Can't you get it?
You have said your decision. I, the head of the family, have not said mine.
I made mine. I don't want Ekene anymore. Simple. I want the prince. That is final. That is how it should be from now on.
I want the prince. You want the prince, right? A man that 1,001 girls are after. That's the person you want. Alright, we shall see.
We shall see nothing but victory, Michael. Victory! Honey, we're married. Honey, we're married. Oh, my children, we're married. Hey, honey, we're married. Hey! Why is that like this? This is what I've been telling you all this while, my dear. Life is all about risk taking. Take the bull by the horn. Move! Life is about risk taking. Risk! Take the risk. Grab the bull by the horn. Grab the bull by the horn. You are the daughter of a jelly. Move ahead. Move! Boldly! Remember, no fear. Yes. I did not give birth to you with fear. Boldness! Move! Activity is yours. Ijele, okay, Mom?
Your daughter is working.
How can you forget so soon? Was it not last February she passed out from NYSC? And I told you that the company retained her.
Hey,
have you forgotten?
Oh, it's true, my dear. Hey, man, you have only one daughter, right?
Of course, yes.
But you told me earlier this year that she was getting married or something like that.
My sister, oh. This world, I don't know what this world is getting to. I told you that now. But her husband's secretary seduced him in the office. The worst is that she became pregnant for him.
Hey.
Oh, you can imagine what the rest of the story is. My pretty, my queen. She was broken-hearted.
What is this word?
I don't know.
Why is she?
My dear, she just took leave from her office to come and relax with us a bit. At least to change environment.
That is very necessary.
Yes, my dear, it's so painful.
But Ijele, now that she's around, at least to help her ease off this horrible pain. Don't you think it will be fine for her to participate in this dance competition?
You're right, oh. You know, It didn't really occur to me.
Oh, jealous.
Right. Maybe I'll be able to discuss with her and convince her.
Who knows? She might win. And I will lose in Ogo.
Ogo. Lolo. Me, Ogo. Will I be able to be in-law to Igwe Umobu?
Yeah. Oh, just this same here. We've been friends for a long time.
I know that. Everybody knows that.
It was Ogo.
I hope I'll be able to.
Let's go and eat. First time that Ijele didn't
remember important things.
Let's go.
I'm getting old.
You know I'm older than you.
Hello. Hi. I've seen it before, and I'm seeing it again. Only a queen is needed. Any question before I proceed?
Yes, ma'am. I have a question. Is the prince not entitled to more than one wife?
Of course he is.
But excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
You just said there is only one queen that is needed.
Only one queen is needed. But the prince pick the second best if he wants to. Now that I have answered your question, I hope to proceed. You all know that I'm a lecturer in our state university in music and arts department. A historian too. That is why I am knowledgeable enough in the issues that concerns music and dance, known as kinetics. In the olden days, a young man's energetic body movement while dancing shows that she can withhold any stress that comes out from marriage. First, she moves her waist energetically, showing that she can make love whenever her husband needs her, and also strong in childbearing. Her head swings from one area to the other. That shows that her head is strong enough to fetch or carry any sizable pot of water or firewood. Her legs light on the ground, meaning that she is not too heavy to lift. Now, the competition will be in two stages. Firstly, preliminary stage, where you will be grouped. A leader is appointed for each group. The importance of this is for orderliness. Remember, everybody is a potential queen. At the end of the preliminary stage, 5 persons, will be chosen for the next event, which will be the second and the biggest of it all. Thank you, and God bless. Thank you.
Hi.
Hello, good afternoon.
Oh, I'm looking for Her Majesty.
She's inside, she'll take it.
Thank you. I'm serious. I mean, his silence towards every effort I've made to start up a conversation with him is beginning to make me run crazy. Do you think this will work?
What kind of cowardly question is that coming from the mouth of the daughter of Ijele? Huh? What kind of question is that? You sound so full of fear that your cries of woe irritate me.
I'm sorry, Mom. Just that I've tried my very best, but I just can't seem to penetrate his high walls.
Then you use the power of a woman. Yes. The power of a woman is stronger than the strongest Goliath.
Tell me, Mom.
Every man has his weak points. It is for the woman to discover what the weak points are. And when you discover them, you become like a pen in the hands of a small warrior that causes commotion in the territory of the enemy.
Tell me, Mom, what's that weak point?
That's an intelligent question. Well, there are three, but I'm going to tell you one. You know what it is? His stomach.
And what are the rest?
Oh, that's for Mom alone. Well, let's talk about this prince issue. See, I'm sure you will win. Amarachuku, are you as confident as I am?
I'm a very good dancer.
Oh, my dear, you need more than just dance steps to win. You need to add the power of a woman. Because as it is now, you, Amarachuku, we are the only one that has direct access to the prince.
I don't understand. Besides, did you tell the queen I had a heartbreak?
Oh, yes, I did. Oh, did she ask?
Not ask. She mentioned it and I was short of words.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I needed to tell her the reason why you came to the village. I just made it up.
It's okay. It's okay. The power of a woman. Tell me.
Okay. Let's talk about this. Power of a woman. A woman's way of dressing.
Who do you girls? Come on, don't forget. Your mama is yours.
She knows now. My dear, imagine those girls for our state universities.
Can you imagine their guts? Those girls, they've got guts, so. Now what?
Thinking they were at shiners.
For real. Wait. Now because we take this village abi. Imagine those girls, so stupid girls like them. My dear, as for me, as you see me like this, I'm waiting patiently for the day I will lay my hand on one of those stupid universities. I say we go tear them now. I say we go tear them now. You don't try
I would not see I go tear that person.
I'm making a point now, but you're refusing to see reasons what I'm saying. What point? Huh? What point? Oh, is it a problem that I try to express myself? When we decided to make each girl step, we tried on 2 minutes, 2 per person. But you just get up there and take up to 7 minutes, only you. Hey, Udoka. So, even if I want to stay there and dance for 10 minutes, I ask you again, so? What do you mean, so? You were there when the Nollywood said that the stipulated time of dance for each group is 12 minutes. Oh no, but when you get up there and spend 7, 8 or more, how much more time do people like us have to showcase ourselves? We want to be noticed too, you know. We do want to be noticed. Should I tell you the problem? Stop there. You are simply jealous of me. You're simply jealous. Is it my fault that I dance better than all of you put together? Is it my fault? Jealous of who? Me? You? Takomaka, the idiot. Me jealous of you. You're just such a drama queen. You like to blow things out of proportion. And oh, for someone who wants to be the queen of this land with this attitude, wow. Thank God you know I dance better than all of you put together. And that I would be the next queen of this land. Doka, you the vex? Wait for me now.
Daddy.
Yes, my dear.
This dance is getting tougher than I expected. Very stressful too.
Don't be discouraged, my daughter, okay?
Daddy, a lot of girls are competing in this dance.
And my little princess is afraid she will lose. Come on, come here. My daughter. Nothing good comes easy. I want you to put in your best. And then later, I will visit in Nollywood on your behalf.
Kene, what is wrong with you? Eh? Won't you take things easy? Sit down. Whatever it is, sit down and talk to me.
I can't understand why Amara will not be with me here in this period of her leave. I personally went to her manager and I explained everything. I told him why this leave is necessary. Suddenly, Amara just told me she wants to be with her parents.
Parents? How do you mean she went to see her parents? Are they sick or what?
That was how she presented it. She told me she was going for a brief visit. Mom, it's almost 3 weeks now. She's nowhere. The worst is that if I called, she failed to return my call, Mom.
Have you considered paying her a visit in her village?
Actually, I was about going to see her today before Barrister Maxwell sent for me.
What did he say?
Nothing much, just reminding me about Dad's will, you know. That remind me of the statement that says that if I fail to marry on or before my 35th birthday, I will lose my inheritance.
I know, but don't worry. Everything will be alright.
Everything will be alright? Yes. You don't understand. All my company trips abroad have been postponed and cancelled. My contracts are suffering. My foreign investors are leaving us. Mommy, don't you understand?
It's okay. Just calm down. I believe with God everything will be fine. You know what? You have to invite her over. Or you go and see her.
I gave her a call immediately I left the barrister's office. Yes. No, she promised to come, but who knows why she will come?
She will come. Just relax your mind. Okay?
Yeah, it was an awesome experience. At first I didn't really like it, but yeah, bring it here. You know, I didn't really enjoy it the first time, but gradually it was just, it kept on getting. Are you alright?
No.
What is it?
I just feel so terrible.
Wait, calm down. What's wrong?
Life is so unfair, Your Majesty. Life is just so unfair.
Alright, calm down. Okay, life is not usually fair to anybody in particular, but you just have to move on.
Life is unfair to me in particular. Life has never been fair to me.
Calm down. What's wrong?
You won't believe this. My boyfriend just broke up with me because of his secretary.
Oh.
That's just the tip of the iceberg. Can you believe she's pregnant for him?
Oh my God, that's unfair. I mean, how could you do such a thing? It's wrong. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But you just have to move on, right? It's not like it's the end of the world, right?
Yes, Your Majesty, I'm trying to move on. I mean, that's why I took leave from work, so I could just get away and stop thinking about the whole thing.
Yeah.
My mother suggested I come for the dance, so I could be distracted a little bit. But why would make me so stupid, Your Majesty? Why would he do that to me? I feel so
wait. Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? Just,
I mean, really, just feel my heart. Feel my heart.
Emma, can you just sit here, okay? Cool. Take it easy, you'll be fine.
Oh, Your Majesty, I feel so terrible. I mean, I feel so bad.
Emma, you'll be fine, alright? It's okay. You'll be fine.
My heart just beats and is aching so much.
I understand there. Can you just slow down? Slow down. You will be fine.
Oh my goodness.
Emma, wait. You'll be fine. Okay? You'll be fine. Can you just slow down, alright? You'll be fine. Alright? It's not like it's not the end of the world.
Yes, you're right. Your Majesty,
okay. Wait. Slow down. Let me get something inside. I'll be with you, okay?
Your Majesty.
Yeah.
Your Majesty.
You mean this stupid Ekene of a boy sent for you to come over? For what now?
Do I know? He said he wants to see me so we can discuss marriage discussions or planning. Whatever he calls it, I don't care. All I know is that the prince has started becoming fond of me.
Tell me more, Biko.
Mom, do you know the prince has once had a heartbreak? You needed to hear his story. I felt pity for him.
Enough! Enough of all that! You want to feel pity, compassion or what? Look, Amara, you must be careful the way you feel for men before you end up not accomplishing your set goals, which is his heart.
Mom, I was only reciprocating the feeling. You know, he feels very bad that my fiancé cheated on me and had his secretary pregnant.
Hi!
You're just a genius.
You won't try me.
Latest news.
About this your visit to Ekene. or whatever his name is, try to make it very brief. As brief as you can. No pity, no compassion, nothing. Make it as brief as you can.
It very brief. No pity, no compassion.
Always bear in mind the crown ahead of you. Eh?
I see the crown already. Let me finish with your fingers so I can quickly go and change.
Make it very brief. Yes. As brief as you can.
Very brief, Mom. And I'll leave tomorrow morning very early. I'll make it as brief as possible.
If possible, come back the same tomorrow.
Mom.
I've had my own.
What do you mean you have postponed our wedding? To when, if I may ask? You're out of your mind. Something has gotten into you. What have they done to you back in the village?
Please, don't refer that way to me. Don't talk about my parents like that. I
So
don't like
what explanation should I give to your sudden change of character and attitude?
What do you mean sudden change of character and attitude?
Oh no, you know I hate pretense. You just walk in here giving me a cold shoulder. Is it my calls that you don't answer or not replying my text messages? Now you have changed.
The reason I'm here is to answer to all your calls and messages. That's why I'm here. People change and so do their decisions.
What do you mean that people change and so do their decisions?
I have changed and so is my decision to marry you.
No.
It is over. No. No.
I'm not gotten to that.
Amara, sit down now.
Don't patronize me. I say I'm no longer interested. No! Don't call my name! I said no! Please, I'm begging you in God's name. I'm no longer interested.
What is going on here? I said, what is going on here?
Good afternoon, Mama. I actually came to inform your son that I'm no longer interested in marrying him.
What? What happened?
It's the latest news in town, Mama. They're actually grooming me to marry the Igwe of our town. That's the latest news. So I came to inform Ekene that I'm no longer interested in marrying him.
Amara Chukwu? Amara! This is unbelievable.
I know, it is. But the earlier both of you try to believe it, the better. Because there's no time. And there's no time.
I don't get you.
Okay. I mean, two of you don't get me. So let me give you time so that you can get to understand what is happening. Oh, Mama, thank you very much. Ekene, careful. Oh, that's the latest news in town. Careful, Ma.
Huh? We, mere commoners. What insolence?
I can't just believe this. You said you told your fiancé what?
My ex. My ex. My goodness. How does that even concern you?
Anyway, it's not my concern, okay? But the Bible said we should be our brother's keeper.
Oh, thank you. Don't bother keeping me. I am safely kept in the bosom of Igwe Ugonna. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Tell that girl that's the right word. But seriously, Amara, so very soon you'll be traveling all over the world just for shopping.
My sister.
Girl, I envy you. I wish I was the one.
You should. Amara. Do you know what? I don't envy you a bit. I pity you.
Because enough! What's wrong with you? What is your problem?
You don't need to get upset. You talk like you don't know Isioma. She's a bolo. Heavy one. Or bolo. Abeg, give me gist. How far with you and Prince?
Juliet. He's so handsome. He's so cute. I think I'm in love. I've got to be. I'm sure I'm in love. I love him.
Amara, so the Prince and Ekene, is there any comparison?
How can you compare? That is long neck. You can't compare. You just can't compare.
Makachuk said, girl, I still maintain. If I get any opportunity, like this, with speed, I'll dump that if I can my boyfriend.
What are you talking about? You're getting married next month.
Shut up!
Please, you're getting married next month. You're talking like this.
Hey!
How do you know?
What's that? Whose call are you avoiding?
Ekene's mother.
Break the scene. Break it. Give me, let me flush it here. I'm very close. Break it. Bad news.
Amara, why are you doing this? The call, at least give this woman a respect.
Hey, I can go. Please help me. Help me, please.
Approach.
Thank you.
Approach.
Hello. Hello, ma.
Hello. Amarachi, why are you doing this to my only son? Eh? Why are you endangering his life?
This is Isioma, Amara's friend.
Where is Amara? I need to talk to her. It's a matter of urgency.
No, just give me the message. I'll get back to her when she comes back.
Anyway, tell your friend that my son is hospitalized at Salem Hospital because of her. And if anything happens to my only son, if anything happens to my son, the God I'm serving will fight her anywhere she is. Tell her that.
Okay, ma. I'm sorry, ma. Hello? Hello?
But what did she say?
Amara, your fiance is hospitalized.
For what?
You asked me for what?
This God is good, though.
All the time.
This God is very good.
All the time.
That means I would have married a complete woman. He's sick now.
I pity both of you. May God have mercy on both of you. See, first thing tomorrow morning, I'm going to see the hospital, okay?
Thank God for the prince.
But God is good, though. Do you know?
Very good. All the time.
Your fiance is hospitalized.
Is
and
God
you're
not
but
good?
God is good.
Is God not good?
Yeah, Hamara, I want to thank you for always coming around to see me. You know, in spite of your very tight rehearsal schedule.
You're welcome, Your Majesty.
So, this your dance thing. What sort of dance is it?
Oh, come on. Don't tell me you don't know anything about it.
Not really, but I was just wondering what kind of dance would run my heart, you know? Yeah. You know, my father was a lover of music and dance. Yeah, and I was told that my mom used to organize a dance troupe and, you know, they will always dance with my father.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No. Well, Your Majesty.
Yeah.
Talking of dance, it's obvious you don't fancy dance at all.
Not like I don't fancy it, you know, but folk is not really my thing. Yeah, hip-hop, I'm cool with it.
Oh, so why would Your Majesty sing so I can dance? Let me just show you a little bit of what we do back there at the rehearsal ground.
Okay, all right, cool.
Okay, we usually, I'm so sorry, Your Majesty. I'm sorry.
Wait. Can you move? Wait. Just
Sorry.
dance, okay?
Yeah, but there's just lots of things. You just don't see those dance and all those things you see in all those music, Your Majesty. We do lots of dance too here. We teach us too. You know. Oh, Your Majesty. I'm just trying to show you what we do at the rehearsal ground. I'm just trying to show you the dance.
Sam, baby. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
What is that, Your Highness? Why are you calling me Sam?
What is going on here?
Your
Highness, what's going on? You're the one who invited me here.
Oh, just shut up! You seduced me!
I mean, why would you use such harsh words on me? You're the one who invited me here. And then look at what you said. I'm so ashamed of myself.
Oh, okay, alright. Hey, I'm sorry, okay? Please, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you cry. Just... Can you just leave, please? Oh, okay, alright, fine. You can use the bathroom. Don't cry. Just go. Alright? Just go, please. Go. You go use the bathroom. I'm sorry.
Your Majesty, I wouldn't use such harsh words.
Look, can you just go, please? Can you just get...
I feel so terrible.
Just go.
Your Majesty.
Look.
Oh, Your Majesty. Oh, Your Majesty. Latest news. Your turn has passed. Please leave so we can come and rehearse. Oh, yes.
And I don't come again, no.
Now, wow.
Hey!
Leave!
Yellow fever.
Go. Please, I beg. Fast beats. How may we help you?
Oh, intelligent question. Now, I want you and your group to vacate this space so that I and my group can rehearse. We did not come here to play.
Hey! Hey! Chimo! Machu, I've suffered. Such insolence!
Excellent.
Tell me the latest news. Who are you?
I am Chineme, daughter of Oji Ikemezwe. And do you have a name?
I am Amara Dikeh, daughter of Dikeh, husband to his jailing wife, friend to Her Majesty, Lolo Okadike, mother to the son of the throne appoint. That's who I am.
Oh, really? Oh, now I see. So because you are daughter to the friend of Her Majesty, whose son is the reason why we all are gathered here. You feel you can just come in here and move around with this overbearing attitude?
It's not
possible. Please, need I tell you, you have serious attitude problem.
Are you talking to me like that?
Need I remind you, Miss Arrogance, that no one here is superior to another person. Besides the fact that you have an affiliation, whether or not you have an affiliation with the prince, I do not care. Oh, girls, do you care? No! What? Wait, loser. I would advise you to go settle down, learn the steps, and show everybody what you have on the D-Day. That is if you will even move to the next level, rather than trying to sneak in through the back door. You stupid. Are you crazy? Are you crazy?
It's okay. It's okay. What nonsense? Is that why they tore your dress? Now tell me, who did this to you? I don't know the particular person. There were many, so I can't pinpoint who. Anyway, don't worry. I think I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to get you bodyguards. Yes, Mom, I think I need bodyguards because now I have an edge over them. An edge? Are you talking about the prince? Yes. Come on. Come on, tell me. Now, come and take your money. See that? Come on. That's it. Are you serious? No, I'm shy. That's okay. I have always known that I have a bold daughter. Yes. Good. See what I mean by woman's power? Yes. Come on. Now I think you need cold bath and hot food. Yes, Mom. Come on. Let's go.
Madam alone is the only person to die. This is nobody to die. Madam, I said, Madam and Madam group should dance. If not, I'll kill somebody here.
Macho, I'm telling you, those girls fine. Those girls fine. My head won't scatter. In fact, I want to marry one of them. You see that one? The eyes does like this. You understand? The roll is very unstable, like fuel price. You know? Oh come on,
bros. If no be say you must know for insulting now. Which can get? Which of them find there? Which girl find there?
You insult me? What? Oh, see, no insult me again. No, don't you dare insult me. Do you know who you are talking to?
I don't hear.
Look, you want to incur the wrath of the ancestors? Their ears are open, and they can listen to this your transmission by Bluetooth. They just come and give you boah and you die. But for insulting me, I don't want to lose you. You know you are my only brother. So talk to me with respect. All you should be asking me is, why do you want to embark on this kind of thing?
Okay. Tell me now, why you want to marry that girl?
You see, this our tradition. You know, all of those girls now, they go and dance in the dancing festival. It is only one person that will win. Now, when one person wins, Macho, what happens to the others? Is it not me that will take them? I have to.
Sharp one.
I know that girl, that rolling eye, this thing, she will not win. I'll marry her from there.
Hey, see your bro. You get good intention.
Before, I have good intention. That is it. Look, let me tell you something. I'm a graduate. Now, if I combine my graduateness with these other girls, some of them, you know, they could be working in oil company. You know, some they could be bankers. If I combine my graduateness and their own graduateness, bam, and we raise a family, I'm telling you, when we born children, the money will reflect on the children. You see them roll, they'll be bouncing like tennis, bouncing baby boy. That is it.
And they tell me more, Mr. Lecturer. They talk, and they hear.
You are not interested in this lecture.
Yes. You're married.
Yes, serious.
You're married.
I just
keep quiet. So my wife has employed both of you to gather girl you are old enough to be the fathers. Sometimes I wonder what your problems really are.
No, okay, we'll not get problem. I said we'll not get problem.
Keep quiet.
Bros, we get problem.
No, we don't have problem. It is only your daughter that has insecurity.
Keep quiet. May I remind you that you are wasting your lives. Look at the kind of jobs you are doing.
Okay, we like them.
I pity your father.
We don't hear.
Come. I'll just give you kung fu. You don't know me. Leave me. Let me show this man.
Oh, I don't say you. I must do over. What do you wait?
It is vibrating.
No, go. Leave that up.
Calm down.
Take within this man.
Listen
talk. Take within this man talk.
Mommy, Kenny, let me go back to the office.
No, my dear, you don't have to say that. At least come inside and take something.
Mommy, some other time, okay? I took permission from the office and the time I was given has elapsed. Okay?
It's okay. But you must come back.
Yeah, I will. It's okay. Okay, take care of yourself, okay?
Summer, thanks a lot. I would have loved to see you off, but I'm very weak. Thank you very much.
Oh, the whole injection you took. Don't worry, okay? I'll be fine.
Thank you, my dear. Take care of yourself.
Thank you. See you soon.
Yes, Amara.
Your Majesty.
I don't intend to take much of your time. I sent for you because I want to apologize for what happened the other day. Honestly, I'm really very sorry.
Your Majesty, you don't have to apologize to me. Honestly. I mean, it wasn't like you raped me. What happened was with my consent, not without my consent.
Well, yeah, I know, but see, I've not been myself since then. I actually mistook you for someone else, and you see, I'm a very honest person. If I hurt someone, I apologize. I'm really very sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, I mean, it's nothing.
Sure?
Oh, sure, yes.
Okay, why don't I get you something to drink?
No, I should be on my way now.
Why? You can stay and spend some time. Alright. Okay, so we're even then, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks for listening. Okay. Okay. You're good. You're right. Yeah. Sure. Okay.
Fine.
Oh. Me no.
Yes, me yes. Thank you.
Okay. All right.
So, you went about investigating what I told you?
You know I don't have time for that. I heard the jingle in the radio some time ago. Though I didn't give you a talk until I ran into your town school president.
So, is that why you came here?
Why did you lie to me? So you went to your village to participate in a dance competition so that you'll be chosen as the next queen of your land? This is serious.
Yes, it is serious. Tony, it is very serious indeed. Now, let me ask you. If you were given the opportunity to dance, so you could be chosen as the next president of this nation, would you dance?
Shut up! I said shut up! So because I'm not a prince!
Why are you ranting as though I did not mention it to you? I told you I was going for a dance competition. We discussed it together here. I discussed it with you.
You liar. Why are you doing this to me? You know you're supposed to leave for a youth service soon. You know I love you. You know we have marriage plans. All I'm trying...
Enough of it.
Anthony, enough of all the sermons. What is this now? See, if you do not have anything else to discuss, leave my house.
I should leave your house.
Oh, Anthony.
I should leave your house.
This is simple English. Read my lips. That is the door.
Chileme, you are too strange. What's going on?
Oh, I see. Oh, you don't want to leave the house.
Chileme, are you okay?
No, don't worry. Sit down. I will leave the house for you. I will leave the house for you. No, come and stay here. Idiot. I will not dance to win the prince.
Hey!
Who are those? Compliment.
Who brought this tied goat here? And why? I said, who brought this tied goat here? And why?
It's we.
Who are the we?
That's the we.
Both of you listen and listen real good. My precious daughter is about to be crowned the queen of this land. Are you listening? Recently, some riffraffs, out of jealousy, sheer jealousy, wanted to disfigure my queen for me.
No, tremendous. It can't happen.
That is why I employed you, boss. Listen. If anybody, anybody, anything, whosoever, especially those riffraffs at the rehearsal arena, dares to say, pimp, or even try to lay their filthy hands on her, anything, tie the person. Are you listening to me?
I am listening. The girls, they touch your daughter, I touch them back. And tie them.
Shut up!
And tie.
I said, tie them and bring them to me. Me. Do you understand me?
Yes, I am. This job is sweet.
It's sweet too.
Oh, this is the best job in the whole wide world. I just came out, and I saw the goat. The goat just came out here. I looked at the goat. I just used my winch detecting sense and I look at it. I know it was a winch. It was following small madam. I said, no, it can't happen. I can't follow small madam. That is why I hold it and tie it and kidnap it and put inside here. See, you're underrating me. A winch detecting machine, is an added advantage to my security distance.
Danger. No go now. Danger.
Madam, don't go. Don't come this side. That goat is a terrible winch, ancestral winch. See it now. Its original form was monkey. Now it changed into goat. It can change to snake and even into a human being. Are you not feeling it? The thing is dragging you and you're walking in slow motion and going. And I use my sense and draw you back. You see? Hey, you see, the goat is manifesting. It is the winch. You see the winch? See, this goat can transfer winch into your body by Bluetooth, so you have to be very careful.
But now, you don't see many people they jealous their daughter. Say the king and your daughter. Kiss.
They.
Oh.
Shut up! Shut up your dirty mouth.
Yeah, are you putting me for the winch? Don't come out yet, Don't come out. Yes. Amen. Amen. I attack. I surrender. Oh. Yeah. Madam, on the tire. Madam, use bonnet. Steering, madam. Pour it on yourself too. You may not know whether it has transferred. Yes.
You touch it now?
Yes, two of us.
Did you bring it?
Winch.
Can I have to take my leave now? It's getting late.
Well, not before I say a big thank you for the love I care you have showered on me.
Honestly, I don't know what to say. Thanks. It's not now.
I'm trying, but I can't. Isioma, I am helpless now. I am helplessly in love with you. Yes, when I met you and your friend Amara, you were engaged, remember? But I've always had these soft spots for you. Though I was in a relationship with your friend. I mean, Isioma, I really do. Just give me the chance to show you I care. Give me the chance to express what I feel inside for you. Isioma, understand me. Please do.
Honestly, I don't know what to say. I'm confused.
Please say yes to me. Say yes to me. I need you in my life. Say yes to me.
You're my friend's friend. Say it.
Oh, stop. Please don't remind me of Amara. Don't. Don't.
It's okay. Sorry. I'm very sorry. Okay.
really marry me? Please.
You don't have to obsessed. No matter the weather, believe it or leave it, you cannot change the time. You don't have to lose your mind, running far and wide. No matter the reason, no matter the season, you cannot change the time. Don't try to change it, cause you can never stop the time. You can never stop the time. However you try, remember, some things will never change. Some things will never, don't try to stop it, cause you can never stop the wind. You can never stop the wind. You can never turn the time. Some things remain the same. Some things remain the same. Some things will never change. Some things remain the same. Some things will never change. Some things will never change. Some things will never change. Some things remain the same. So you don't have to struggle against destiny. No matter how they try, some things will never ever. Don't try to change it, cause you can never stop the time. You can never stop the time. No matter however you try, some things will never change. Don't try to stop it, cause you can never stop the wind. You can never stop the wind. You can never turn the time. Some things remain the same. Don't try to change it, no matter the weather, you can never stop the time. No matter how hard you try, some things will never change. Don't try to stop it, cause you can never stop the wind. No matter what the reason, you can never turn the time. You can never turn the time. Some things remain the same. That's the way it is, the way it is. You can never stop the time. You can never turn the time. No matter what the season, no matter how you try, no matter what you It's okay to dream about things you love and wish to have. You've got every right to alter the way you feel inside. But when love is in control, there's so little you can do to change the master plan. You don't have to be upset. You don't have to be outraged. Believe it or leave it, no matter the weather, you cannot turn the time. You don't have to lose your mind. You don't have to run around. Believe it or leave it, my brother, my sister, you cannot change the time. Don't try to change it, cause you can never stop the time. You can never stop the time. However you try, some things will never change. Don't try to stop it, cause you can never stop the wind. You can never stop the wind. You can never turn the time. Some things remain the same. Some things remain the same. Some things remain the same. Some things will never change. Some things remain the same. It's okay to fall in love with the one you wish to have. It's okay to aspire for the dreams, the sins out of reach. You don't have to lose your mind.